Looks nice.
Yeah. I was gonna say, why is that up? That's for the tensioner.
Yep.
Who is that?
Who? That's our nephew.
Okay, even comes with tools.
Even these are.
Or is that so you can lift it?
Yeah, it's got wheels on the back. You roll it like a hand
I
truck.
appreciate you guys helping.
You get it in?
Huh?
You get it in?
No.
I think. Come on. Yeah, hold that steady. Nope.
Smells good right now.
Yeah, okay, that one's tight.
Like burnt rubber and well.
A lot of smoke coming out.
Yeah, hell no.
Okay. Now hold on. For some reason, two of them have jam nuts, two of them don't.
What is that?
Why stripper?
It looks like you could sharpen these things forever.
Yeah, that's the nice thing about it. 'Cause yeah, because they got a pretty good edge up in there. It's like a razor blade, right?
These things, yeah.
Yeah, and then that just cuts the soft casing. So we're going to try a little
And
bit of
then,
everything.
like that, you could probably sharpen that
Yes,
right on that little belt sander.
Yeah, that little sharpening thing we got. They gave us enough blades, right?
Yep. That was a little snug. Up, back off it just.
Just back off of the hair. Seems pretty neat, though, these cutter wheels. They're sharp.
Yeah.
We'll put the top back on after.
Back off it just a buzz. Yeah, so we'll run some of this Romex through there and then.
Yeah, we'll try different weights and different stuff.
Okay, we just check them all, make sure I'm all good and tight.
How's it feel? Good?
Good. Yeah, I just want to make sure it's not binding.
Yeah.
Because you can push them all the way up and touch that.
Okay. Go ahead. Look at that. And then you got the singles.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It actually cut the. That might be a little too tight for this.
Yeah.
But
Try one of them in another hole. Move over to the next one.
yeah. Try next one.
Look at that. That's one I think that's a little tight.
Yeah.
It's actually binding.
You can hear it for that.
You know how nice that is.
And I went through a looser hole than it.
It's nice.
It'll be a whole lot easier than shipping it by hand, good.
No, see.
Now that's fair bright.
That, yeah, that is a good. It's kind of on the edge, but it looks. Start pulling cord again.
Seems like it's doing pretty good.
Get the groove now.
No, Jim, it's not cutting some of these.
Yeah, once you get it started, it just takes it in.
That's the cross case House wire.
I'm gonna go there. Try this.
Let's see, did that cut? That looks like, yeah, it looks like you cut it.
99%.
They could use it now. Better than cutting it with a, you ever try to cut that shit with a razor?
Yeah.
I couldn't pass it. It's good.
Burning it off
No,
sucks
it's
too.
because it's not,
Well, you see that? They cut
it's
you
not
now?
that bench.
Where do you want to put this?
Move around.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna start in there.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. I can never figure out how to strip that clean, you know?
This is,
Coated, right?
it's, yeah, this has got it like a,
Okay, you're trying the phone cable, right?
phone line.
Phone line, go ahead. Now, definitely cut the casing off, and then what do? Put the other stuff,
Yeah.
the small stuff in there?
Yeah.
Seems cool.
It's hardly gonna be.
It pretty much does everything. Try that one now, Jack. Yeah, cleaned it right up, Jim.
They hook together. I just let it go.
That one, that one, that one.
No, but I mean, I don't know if that
That one. Oh,
piece did much of anything.
No,
it's
this.
all dirty. Pretty nice. Okay. You try the big one?
What big one? Yeah, let's
I'm laying right on the floor there. Let me show me the end of that. That's the big stuff. That's the stuff we really want to
Inch and a quarter.
It's got 2 casings on it, so we have to run it twice. Oh my God. It took the first casing right off. Run it up, run it the opposite side, and it'll come right off there.
Okay.
I think, can't you?
There's like thin. No, that's wire.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think. Yeah. Opposite side. Well, no, it's
Roughly, right?
cut on both sides already.
Oh, really? Okay,
Yeah.
run it again. Look at that. Fell right off.
Nice.
Sweet.
The wire's perfect. Sometimes you got to give them a little help to get them started.
Yeah. I like it.
Look at that.
They're a little dark though, but I don't know whether they're very bright.
Now,
They're still #1 copper.
that'll be number 1.
20.
What else we got? This thing here. Oh, that's the other one I already did.
Yeah, regular twisted battery cable. Let's see what that does. Oh, look at that.
Sweet.
That is nice. Because I can never do the braided stuff.
That's neat that it has holes that
You have all the different sizes.
Neat.
We're just going to try extension cord. Regular old extension cord.
Yeah, say, don't hold tight. Ready? Now, try this. Sticky.
It's cut in the case. Man, that's a long piece. That is cool. You cutting it?
This stuff you're talking about?
How much you bring?
All of it.
Oh, we're gonna stretch it out. We're gonna feed it all.
The whole center of it.
It's got fiberglass in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where'd that come from?
It's
Cut through some of it, yeah.
Yeah.
What is it, cable?
Cut it.
Here, use this.
Yeah, it's coming right off.
I think we should do shorter lengths.
Yeah, definitely. That was just a
Rather than,
test.
yeah.
Now,
Trying coax cable?
Yeah. Television cable.
Television cable. All right. Yeah.
Okay, what did I do?
It did.
Yeah, but
It
something.
didn't go all the way through, Jim.
Try.
Can it go through the one with the knife?
Let's try the ones with the knife. I might have it adjusted.
That's it.
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
But
Not.
is it any value?
No.
It's aluminum.
No, there's copper in the middle. You have to pull
Yeah, but
this.
no.
That one little piece of copper ain't gonna be worth it.
What? Talking about a car.
Now here's a nice test. It's a nice fat piece of wire, but look at all them little hunks of copper wire in there. Let's see how this one does. You ready? I think I'm going that one.
I think so.
Look at that.
Oh my lord.
Holy cow.
It's sliced all the hell. Fail.
I don't know. I think it sliced it too good. Made it into